Good evening, ma'am. The topic that I choose to create is violence against women and children. So, my advocacy is all about breaking the silence, stand against violence. So, again, no? Good evening, everyone. I stand before you today not just a speaker but as a voice for those who have been silenced by fear. We live in a world where 1 in 3 women and 1 in 4 children suffer abuse, often by someone they trust. They aren't statistic. They are our mother, sister, daughters, and friends. Violence against women and children is not a private matter. It is a crime that thrives in darkness and silence. When a woman is beaten at home, when a child is exploited online, it is not their shame to carry. It is ours to confront. But there is the truth. We have the power to stop. The Philippines has strong laws like RA 969262 and RA 11313. But laws about alone won't change anything unless we act. But how? But how? So, break the silence. If you see abuse, report it. A simple call to the PNP Women and Children Desk can save a life. Believe survivors. No more, baka nagdrama lang. Or kasi, kasi sa suot mo. Victim blaming must end. And lastly, teach the next generation. Boys raised to respect women grows into men who grow into men who never raise their fist. So, lastly, to survivors here today, you are not alone. Your pain is valid and your courage inspires us. This fight is for you. Let's let's have here today our protectors, not bystanders. Stand up, speak out, and let's build a future where no woman and child lives in fear. The time to act is now. Are you with me? So this is my advocacy, and it will end here. And thank you.